The Dacia Stryker is Dacia's fresh take on the C-segment family car. Shunning the heavy, tall SUV trend, the Stryker is a low-slung, highly practical family crossover estate that measures 4.62 meters long but stands just 1.53 meters tall. Built on the Renault-Nissan CMF-B platform, it blends the rugged aesthetic of an SUV, including a generous 19 to 20 centimeters of ground clearance, with the streamlined efficiency of a traditional station wagon. Pros and cons. Pros. Superb space and practicality. Offers a massive 600-liter boot capacity with the rear seats up, expandable to 1,600 liters when folded, complete with a modular boot floor. Aggressive pricing, unmatched value for a C-segment vehicle, heavily undercutting rivals like the Skoda Octavia Combi. Improved refinement. Dacia has addressed long-standing noise complaints by adding thicker glazing and significantly upgrading acoustic insulation. Clever utilitarian touches. Features the highly practical U-clip accessory mounting system and durable, washable interior materials, especially on the extreme trim. Robust powertrains. Offers efficient mild hybrid, full hybrid, and even rare factory LPG options. Cons. No plug-in hybrid, PHEV, or EV option. If you want a plug-in port or pure electric driving, you'll have to look elsewhere. Budget material touches. While the build quality is sturdy and well-assembled, hard plastics still dominate lower areas of the cabin. Modest performance. Built for efficiency and utility rather than speed, none of the powertrains are designed to offer sporty performance. Engine options and technical specs. Under the hood, the Stryker shares its multi-energy engine lineup with the Duster and Bigster, focusing heavily on fuel efficiency and low operating costs. EcoG 120, bifuel LPG and petrol, a 1.2-liter engine producing approximately 120 horsepower. It runs on both petrol and LPG, providing a highly economical option for long-range drivers. 1.2 TCE MHEV 140. Mild hybrid, a 1.2-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder petrol engine mated to a 48V mild hybrid system. It produces 140 horsepower, improving urban fuel economy and smoothing out stop-start driving. Hybrid 155, full HEV, the premium electrified option. It pairs a 1.8-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine with dual electric motors, one driving motor, one starter generator, and a 1.4 kilowatt-hours, 280V battery to deliver a combined 155 horsepower. It operates on pure electric power during light city driving and targets emissions under 100 G per kilometer CO2. Hybrid G154x4, AWD designed for light off-roading. This setup uses the 1.2-liter combustion engine paired with a 31 horsepower electric motor mounted directly on the rear axle. This provides an efficient all-wheel drive system delivering a combined 150 horsepower, complete with dedicated mud, sand, and snow driving modes. Expected pricing and trims. Official sales are slated to begin around October 2026 at the Paris Motor Show. Pricing is highly competitive, starting well under the €25,000 threshold for the base models. Essential and Expression. EcoG 120 expected to start around €23,000. This serves as the entry-level bifuel model. MHEV 140 expected to start around €24,000. Full Hybrid 155 expected to start around €27,000, offering self-charging hybrid efficiency. Hybrid G154x4 starts around €29,000 for the mid-tier trim, climbing to roughly €33,000 for the top-of-the-range rugged extreme or comfort-oriented journey trims. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the Automoto Freak channel. See you soon.